Bonjour à tous! Today let's have a look at the French verb pouvoir, which means to be able to. It's one of the irregular verbs, so please watch the video till the end to know how are we going to conjugate this verb. So yes, pouvoir means to be able to. So what it is basically used for, to say I can, you can, he can, she can, we can, you can, they can, and so on. Now, how are we going to conjugate this in French? So in French, it is going to be je peux. Je peux. Tu peux. Il peut. Elle peut. On peut. Nous pouvons. Vous pouvez. Ils peuvent. And elles peuvent. So if you notice, in the first few ones, the spelling is different, but the pronunciation is same. Je peux. Tu peux. Il peut. Elle peut. On peut. Same pronunciation. In the remaining ones, it's nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, and elles peuvent. The ENT, it remains silent in the verbs whenever it is at the end. Now let's see few examples. Let's try making few sentences using this verb. So if I want to say I can eat grapes, so it's going to be je peux manger des raisins. Now, as you can see that I've used the verb manger over here, but I've not conjugated that. I've used it directly, like with the ER ending. So why so? Because in French, whenever there are more than two verbs in a single sentence, like over here in this sentence, there are two verbs. The first verb is can and the second word is eat. So if there are more than two verbs, then only the first verb is going to be conjugated. So the first verb that is coming in a sentence over here is can, I can. So we are going to conjugate that pouvoir verb, and we are not going to conjugate our manger verb. So it's je peux manger des raisins. You can write a letter. Tu peux écrire une lettre. He can sing a song. Il peut chanter une chanson. She can watch a movie. Elle peut regarder un film. We can read this book. On peut lire ce livre. We can go to Paris. Nous pouvons aller à Paris. You can come with us. Tu peux venir avec nous. They can buy this bag. Ils peuvent acheter ce sac. They can dance with us. For all females, it's going to be elle peut danser avec nous. Très bien. If you understood this verb, then please try making a sentence using this. Try conjugating it in different forms and drop it down in the comment section below. And if you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!